Good morning, friends. My name is Sailesh Bhatia from
E-Skill Point.
Today. I'm going to talk about basic steps to make a sales call, especially for business development associates who visit Kirana stores every day. The first step in making a sales call is planning. Just before you enter the store, you need to spend about 20 seconds thinking about what you would want to speak to the Kirana and what are the sales that he gave you last week and what are the targets that you have for this week. It is important to look at yourself before you get into the store. Look at the way you're dressed up. Make sure you're not sweating and you smell good. It is important. Smile as you are entering the store. Smile and make sure that your grooming is in place. We are looking at basic grooming, which is necessary. Your hair, your face, your odor and your shoes all be good for the Kirana to receive you well. As you go up the store, greet the customer. It's important to have a salutation. A regional salutation is good, which is very important in our country. It could be a hello, a good evening, a good afternoon, sat sri akal, namaste, vanakkam. No, it helps the Kirana to listen to you and make sure that the salutation is loud. As you are walking up the stairs, good morning, good evening, and as the case may be, only to make sure that you are announcing your presence so that the Kirana can quickly sum up his duties with his customer and come back to you. Always open the call with a private label. Private label are products, they are in-house products, and we make a good profit margin when we sell private label. It's important that we carry enough private label. These products are generally very close to the market leader and they fetch us a lot of money. When you open a call, make sure that the private label is in your left hand so that you can demonstrate it well. After you have demonstrated the private label, kindly ensure that you do a good stock check of the store. You do a lighthouse gaze and look at the store just to ensure that the products which you had sold to the Kirana last week are there or they need to be replenished. What are the orders that you can possibly get when you take the orders for the day? It's important to do that. Kindly do a good stock check. And next, many Kiranas generally don't have time to dust their shelves or they're too busy. Carrying a duster and just cleaning up your own products and facing them up is called shelf help. Excuse me. Now, shelf help will ensure that you are actually interested in the Kirana's business and you are willing to support him. It also builds a lot of trust in the Kirana. They start looking at our BDAs with more belief. Shelf help also helps you to understand what products are being sold well. After you have done this, you need to now suggest to the Kirana in a way which is very convincing, almost like a persuasion which is used in negotiation skills. The way you would do it is this way. Rather than say, should I repeat the order which you gave me last week, or do you want me to send you 6 articles? Give him an option which is higher than the one which he gives you last time or which he gave you last week. For example, so should I place an order for 12 or 24 pieces? Now this is definitely higher than last week, but always try to be bigger and better every time when you are trying to close a sale. It is important that you give these options because psychologically the Kirana would also want to take a lower option and even so thereby giving you a larger sale. Always try to close. Now a salesman always closes. Closing means closing the sales call. In this case, you are collecting the articles in your list and you are confirming the same. And every time when you keep confirming, ensure that this list would never get depleted at the end of the sales call. So keep closing and keep adding more to the list that you have picked up from the Kirana. Next, after you have collected the articles list from the Kirana, and once you have placed the order or punched the order in your machine, you need to also inform the customer about the delivery schedule. The delivery schedule is nothing but the realistic timing when the goods would reach the Kirana. This could be the next day or maybe 2 days, as the case may be from store to store. Generally, it is a D+1, which is you take the order today and the goods have to reach the Kirana by tomorrow. These are the SOP, these are the norms. After you have informed him about the delivery schedule, you need to summarize. When you summarize the order, you need to actually start checking, ensuring that the Kirana has given you everything that he wanted and you have punched in correctly. Before you sync the tablet, this check is necessary so as not to make any mistake. Lastly, you close the call. You say thank you to the Kirana, wish him goodbye and proceed to the next store. Before that, you also mention to the Kirana about your next week's visit or the next visit when you would be paying him. These are few steps that will help you to make a successful and a productive business call. And not only for a BDA, but most of the sales associates who are on the street, feet on street, can help themselves by getting more productive by using these techniques. Thank you so much.